Are you aware of what you can do with 500,000 naira in this country? As terrible as the economy is, are you aware of what you can do with 500,000 naira? That your salary of 200,000 naira per month will not be close to what you are going to be making every month. Are you aware? You are not aware. So probably now if somebody come and offer you 500,000 naira for you to quit your job, you might look at it and say 500,000 naira, my salary is 200,000 naira. In 3 months, I have 600,000 naira. Why should I quit my job? If I finish the 500,000 naira, how will I survive? How will I do this? How will I do that? You know why you're talking like that? Your case is like the case of a monkey. You know, when you give a monkey a bundle of dollar and a pack of banana, a monkey will choose banana over a bundle of dollar. You know why? Because monkey does not know that a bunch of dollars is able to buy a whole tree in numbers of banana. Are you getting it? Now, you as a child of God, there are ways you cannot make money. If you think you can make money by that ways, by that means, you are only deceiving yourself. As a matter of fact, not even only the child of God. As a normal human being, there are ways you can never make money. Yeah, God bless you. Welcome back to Financial Literacy with Mo Olaigbala. You see, in today's teaching, I will be teaching you something very, very amazing. Now, the first question I would like to ask you is that if I offer you 500,000 naira for you to quit your present job, will you quit? Now, 500,000 naira, that's 500,000. Yes, not only in Nigeria, in every currency, it's 500,000. But the question is, are you aware of what you can do with 500,000 naira in this country? As terrible as the economy is, are you aware of what you can do with 500,000 naira? That your salary of 200,000 naira per month will not be close to what you are going to be making every month. Are you aware? You are not aware. As a normal human being, there are ways you can never make money. And one of it is that you cannot make money by gambling. No. Gambling cannot make you a successful man. So many of you believe in gambling. Bet Ninja, Baba Jebu, all those useless gamble. Lotto. You thought by playing Lotto you can actually succeed and be wealthy. It's a lie. Stop fooling yourself. That is not the way to make money. Another way that so many people are looking at the way to make money is Yahoo. My dear, Yahoo cannot make you a wealthy man. Go and make your research. People that have eat big money, that have defrauded people successfully and collected millions of dollars, where are they after 10 years? Are you getting it? Now, if it is ritual, you can't make money by ritual. Money that you make by ritual, it will never be transgenerational. What is transgenerational wealth? Transgenerational wealth is the kind of wealth that even after your death, your family will live to enjoy it. But if you are a ritualist, it cannot happen. The day you die, your secret will be exposed, a lot of things will go wrong, and then there will be a problem. So you cannot make money by ritual. If you make money by ritual, you are only destroying your own life and that of your generation. Another way that people look at is as the best way to make money is what we call cheating others. No, you cannot make money by cheating. No, cheating cannot bless you and make you a blessed man. It's not possible. Are you getting it? So you don't make money by cheating. Some people thought they can make money by marriage. No, wealth is not sexually transmitted. You don't get that. Wealth is not sexually transmitted. Your husband can be rich, your wife can be rich, and then you are wretched. I'm telling you the fact. So you must know and have the right information for you to actually do what? To be successful in life. If I offer you 500,000 naira today, if you are a 50,000 naira person, until you spend that money remaining 50,000 naira before you know what to do. That's it. So many of you now, your capacity cannot go beyond 10 million. If somebody go and bless you more than 10 million, the person is only wasting his money because your capacity is not up to that level. Like me, as I'm talking to you now, you might be looking at me and say that, oh, what is this boy saying? If this boy says 5 billion naira now, is he not going to run mad? Is he not going to run away? Is he not going to become something else entirely? The truth of the matter is that it's a lie. I cannot become mad because of 5 million naira or 5 billion naira, because I have structures on ground. I have systems on ground that if any money should enter my hand today, it's finished. I'm not joking, because I have values I want to create that will benefit humanity. I have values I want to create that will solve solutions. I have value that I want to create that will enable me to employ graduates and they will begin to work and earn salary. So I have values on ground that if I have money, I will just secure them, and people will look at me and say, oh, this guy is a magician. Are you getting it? But if you have 5 billion naira today, are you sure you know what to do with it? If you have 5 million naira today, are you sure you know what to do with it? So many of you, when money comes into your hand, you will say one careless money entered into my hand last weekend. In fact, it was very good. I was able to do so many things. That party that we went to, you see me spending money, is that careless money that came into my hand. There is no careless money. You are the one that is careless. You are the one that is careless. No careless money. So as a child of God, as a Christian, you've got to be wise. And another mentality you must erase from your mind is the mentality of poverty. So many